Today we will compare the aesthetics, specifications and pricing of the Aviar R67 to the Tesla Model S. Welcome to the Cutter Finance Show. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out. So subscribe and ring that notification bell. I would like to hear your thoughts and opinions on the Aviar R67. What is the Aviar R67? The R67 is the latest offering from the Russian electric vehicle manufacturer Aviar, featuring a retro-futuristic appearance. The R67 combines sophisticated elegance of the past with technology of the future. The aesthetics. The design is based on the 1967 Ford Mustang, modernized with increased aerodynamic efficiency. Custom brake discs were manufactured from high-strength aluminium, and the body comprises of lightweight carbon fiber. Ergonomic design and numerous technological elements have been included to aid the driving experience. An interactive touchscreen is situated in the center of the front dash. This removes excess buttons and switches, providing a cleaner, sharper look. The seats feature stylish stitching, along with the Aviar company logo on the headrests. The R67 has the highest quality components because the battery, electric motors, suspension, power cables, and all electronics are manufactured by Tesla. Aviar R67 versus the Tesla Model S performance. The Tesla Model S has an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, a 163 mile per hour top speed, 402 miles of range, all-wheel drive, seating for 5 adults, and autonomous driving capabilities. The Aviar R67 has an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.2 seconds, a 155 mile per hour top speed, 507 miles of range, all-wheel drive, seating for 2 adults, and autonomous driving capabilities. Although the Tesla Model S has a superb design and specifications, the clear winner in my book is the Aviar R67. Pricing. The entry-level price for the Tesla Model S performance is $94,990. The R67 does not yet have a price. However, I would estimate the figure to be $100,000 to $250,000. This was a slightly different video to our usual programming. However, the rise of retro-futuristic vehicles could be a lucrative subdivision to the Tesla Motor Company. Just imagine electric Aston Martin DB5s, Jaguar E-Types, and Ferrari GTOs. I have included further reading on the Aviar R67 in the description. You are going to want to click on one of the 2 videos on screen now, because they both contain an exceedingly powerful message that can help you in your investing journey.